Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool set of trimline AT&T 530s. Now, this is the initial checkout of these two handsets and the base unit, but the problem is in the handsets. And this is Robert's equipment from New Jersey. And Robert has a couple of these units. He might even have another one. And like we mentioned earlier, these are some of the best trimline type handsets made. And by today's standards, you couldn't get the quality that these handsets have on the AT&T 530. They are just some very good equipment, and the AT&T 530 handsets were very sought after. We get calls about these AT&T 530 trimline handsets all the time. People want to know where they can get them because they were a high quality handset. Now, Robert has some issues with these two units. He's only got one base because there's only one base needed. It's the issue with the handsets that we want to go over. Now, there's been a spill into both of these handsets, so our keypad has a sticky substance on it, and our inner keypad, which is pieces of plastic with conductive material drawn onto it. And when these are cleaned, you have to be very careful because there are chemicals that can completely wipe out the conductive material, and if you ruin one of these keypads, you may or may not find another. They're just not out there. You'd have to have a parts telephone. This unit has the same issue because you can feel the sticky substance on the keypad itself. And I want to go ahead and give you a look at one of these AT&T handsets. And if you've never seen the inside of one of these units, I want to go ahead and give you a look at that. Now, we also want to check for any solder problems. So if there's any issues with resoldering the main PC board of the handset, we will go through that and make any resolder points that we need to. So we want to go ahead and get a start on these units. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of these really cool trimline handsets, AT&T 530. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of these two really cool AT&T 530 handsets, and we want to go ahead and start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And these units have a control for the volume, and there's 3 settings, so that's really cool. And they can get pretty loud. So we want to go ahead and start our final checkout. We're going to use the analyzer and send a ring cycle, so we'll start that. I'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. Here is our setting. That's low, medium, and then high. We can walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. I want to press flash and redial. And it should end at a 2 on the analyzer. Now I want to press flash one more time. That gives us dial tone, and we can press hold. And then you just press hold again to release it. Now we want to transmit into the handset. So we're going to press a 2 and cause dial tone to go away, and we'll go ahead and transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We can go ahead and hang our unit up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, it's dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can press that button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone, and we'll make that call.
Today is Sunday, May 21st. The current time, 5:40 p.m. and the temperature, 68 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang our handset up. We'll unplug our handset cord, and we're going to switch over to this unit, give you some dial tone. We're going to press our analyzer, go back to our analyzer, and we're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to press flash. That gives us dial tone again, redial. The analyzer will end in a 2. Like before, we want to go ahead and transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our unit up. Now, we can go ahead and ring this unit, but it's actually the bass that's ringing. So we'll go ahead and try that one more time. We'll let that go a couple of times. I'll let it go one more time, and we'll give you some dial tone. Now we can go ahead and press the button on the switch box again. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll go ahead and call our time and temp number, give you some dial tone. We'll make that call.
Today is Sunday, May 21st. The current time, 5:43 p.m. and the temperature, 68 degrees.
Go ahead and hang our unit up. Now that we know that these two really cool AT&T 530 handsets have been repaired, we can return them to Robert, and he can enjoy these units once again. Now, these are very sought after, like we mentioned earlier, and people really like them, and they have a high quality, and you could never get anything by today's standards that would match these units. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.